it's Miss Barbara here for the Bunny Story Time, and I have a friend to introduce to you today. This is Robbie. Can you say hi to Robbie? Do you know what kind of animal Robbie is? That's right, he's a rabbit. Sometimes we call a rabbit a bunny. He's a cute little rabbit, isn't he? We're going to read stories today about rabbits, and if you come in to get your kit, you can make one of these bunnies. You can pick up these kits at the library. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read our story called One Brown Bunny. And it's by Marion, Dane, Bauer, illustrated by Ivan Bates. And see the bunny there? That's a cute little bunny, isn't he? One brown bunny. Oh, he looks like a happy bunny, doesn't he? He's jumping around. It says, one brown bunny went out one day to find a friend who'd like to play. And this is one of those stories that Miss Barbara loves because it rhymes. So remember, listen for the rhyming words. 2 red birds perched in a tree. Come down, said Bunny. Come play with me. But the birds flew away. Twee, twee, twee. Can you say that? That's what the birds say. Let me hear you say twee, twee, twee. Now your turn. Very good. Good job. 3 black. What animal is that? That's right, bears. 3 black bears crunched their lunch. I'm here, said Bunny. May I munch? But the bears all growled and left in a bunch. And there they are. See the little bunny? He's so tiny. And 1, 2, 3 bears. They said, you cannot have our lunch. And now we're up to 4. 4 blue fish swam side by side. Please come out. Don't swim away to hide. But the fish disappeared and poor Bunny sighed. See the fish? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count them? Good job. You counted the blue fish. 5 gray mice played hide and seek. Can I play too? I really won't peek. But the mice scurried off. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Let me hear you. Ready? You say it. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Now your turn. Good job. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Oh, look at that. What do we see now? We see some snakes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says, 6 green snakes slept on a stone. Said Bunny, I want some friends of my own. But the snakes slipped away, leaving Bunny alone. He's all alone now. Seven yellow bees hummed all around. Let's spring, Bunny called. Let's leap, let's bound. But the bees buzzed off and the bunny frowned. Bzzz. Can you count the bees? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good counting. 8 purple what? What are these? Flowers. 8 purple flowers smiled in the sun. Please play with me. Can I hop? Can I run? But the flowers stayed still. They weren't any fun. Because flowers can't dance, can they? And flowers can't sing, no. Oh, look at that. Do you know what these are? These are clouds, right? It says, 9 pink clouds floated in the sky. I'd play with you if I could reach that high. Can you reach that high? Reach up as high as you can. Up, up, up in the sky. Can you reach the clouds? It's a little high, right? But the clouds moved on. They didn't even try. See the bunny reaching? He's reaching, reaching, reaching. Can he reach the cloud? Almost, but not quite. My favorite, look at these. Can you tell what these are? Butterflies. 10 orange butterflies fluttered everywhere. Come back, cried Bunny. This just isn't fair. But the butterflies vanished, poof, right into the air. Can you count them? You want to count the butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 butterflies. So Bunny went home, feeling very bad, until he heard, "Please don't be sad." Birds, bees, fish, mice, snakes, flowers, clouds, butterflies, all had come to play. "Friends," cried Bunny, "at last, hooray!" See, they all came to play with him. The end. That was a great story. Did you like that one? I like that story. Let's see, did Robbie like that? Robbie, did you like that story? Okay, so if you want to do some rhymes, just click on the next box. We'll see you soon. Bye.